always knew that I wanted to become a dad. What do I want to try to do differently? And what opportunities do I have to do this differently because I work in the tech space as opposed to a more legacy industry?
My goals have partially changed and not changed in the same time. So of course, I really feel the responsibility for being a father, and that definitely changes my goal towards a more stable future.
Your financials are almost already spoken for. So it's in what ways can I make sure that these things are set so that when these issues arise or these changes happen, that we're good to go?
That while I have to be a provider, I also can't disappear into work.
A father should be ready to be a provider, but it might change depending on the wishes of your spouse.
The simple answer is obviously yes, but that is based upon the meaning of the word provider.
There's ways to expand our understanding of what the word provider means.
I think that if you are the person who you are the breadwinner, you're the person that makes the most money in your house, and that's how you provide for your family, that's awesome.
Someone who provides emotionally for their kids, provides space for their kids just to be kids.
Are you also providing a platform for them to discover what they love in life and the things that they want to do?
First one, of course, is unexpected, and the second one is kind of unprepared.
Responsibility, mentorship, and empathy. Raise within them the qualities that they're going to need in life.
The last one, I think it's quite difficult to pick because I really want to bring in some positive notes such as joy and excitement, and I am quite divided between those two.
Some of the most important things that I think I can do for my kids is to teach them empathy, teach them kindness.
Don't be pushed around by advice of others, and try to basically be yourself and stay yourself after becoming a father.
But because it is such a big change, I think that even if you don't need to be 100% ready, but it needs to be something that you want to do.
I think the most important thing is listen to your kid, but really listen.